Yo, Brandon, how do I actually write? I've read the books, I study and rewrite copy, all that stuff, but for some reason the words just don't want to come out. Frameworks, my friend. Use copy frameworks. You're getting stuck up in what to write because you're thinking and getting overwhelmed at this big page of copy. What the heck am I supposed to write? Just take things one bite-sized piece at a time. Just start with the headline. What's the headline? What am I trying to say in this piece of copy? Let's just say it's for a fitness coach. Well, what are we doing? What are we selling? A fitness coach wants to sell fitness coaching. Okay, well, what's going to entice someone to buy? Join my fitness coaching program? No. How about tell them an outcome they're going to get? Good copy means talk about outcomes. What does someone get when they buy? How about lose 10 pounds in 30 days, guaranteed, or your money back? There's a headline example. Run with that. Another variation of that. Want to lose 10 pounds in 30 days, guaranteed, or your money back? Right? Another variation of that. See how 200 people have lost 10 pounds in 30 days, even without strict diets or working out for an hour a day. There's another headline example, leaning on social proof. Now you got your headline done. What's next? Just follow a framework. Easy one, PAS, problem, agitate, solution. Hey, are you dealing with feeling like overweight and like struggling to lose weight? Do you find that you put on like 20, 30, 40, 60, maybe even 100 pounds since you were 20 years old? Now you're in your 30s, 40s, or 50s, but like you struggle to get out of bed. You struggle to roll out of bed. You can't pick up your kids anymore and play with them because you're so out of shape. You take your shirt off at the beach and like people laugh and stare because you have a huge beer belly, right? Well, guess what? That all changes today with my one-on-one fitness coaching program, right? Over the past few years, I've done this. I went from here to here. I was 200 pounds overweight. Now I'm this much weight, and I've helped over this many people do the same. If you want a simple program, step by step, boom, 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 join today. There you go. Just do one section at a time. Headline, then do P, problem, and talk about the problem. Once you've done the P, go into agitation. A, agitation. Agitate the problem. Once you've agitated it, then go to S, solution. Present your solution, which is your product. There you go. Headline, PAS. Take it at bite-sized pieces. Do one bite-sized piece at a time. And if you're like, man, I don't even know how to write the first headline or the first line of copy, go look at other copy that's successful, swipe files, and see what other successful fitness coaches do for their headline. And then do a variation. If somebody says, how to gain 10 pounds of muscle in 10 days. Okay, well, we sell a fat loss program. How can we swipe that for ours? How to lose 10 pounds of fat in 10 days. That's swiping. That's ethically swiping. You don't copy, paste, and plagiarize. You take concepts and apply it to your business. And just look at what other people's copy is and see how you can do a similar intro, similar headline.